Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a League of Legends player, you know how easy it is to get lost in the game for hours. But when it's time to step away, logging out properly is key for security and account management. Today, we're covering how to log out of League of Legends in 2025, a quick, straightforward guide that could save you from headaches. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're at the main menu of the game. If you're in a match, you'll need to finish it first, but once you're there, look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings menu. Riot Games has updated their interface for 2025, making things even more user-friendly. Click on that gear icon to open settings. Now, scroll down or navigate to the Account section. It's usually towards the bottom, labeled clearly as Account Management, to handle all your profile needs. Inside Account Management, you'll see an option that says, Log Out, or Switch Account. Go ahead and select it. A quick confirmation pop-up might appear. Just to double-check, hit Yes or Confirm to proceed. And just like that, you're logged out and back at the login screen. Why does this matter? Logging out helps protect your account from unauthorized access, especially if you're on a shared device. Plus, it can resolve minor glitches or login errors. If you ever run into issues, like the button not responding, try restarting the League client or checking for the latest updates from Riot. There you have it. Logging out of League of Legends in 2025 is simple and quick. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.